Welcome to speedearning.in. When we go for stock market training, we are using volume screeners. So volume screeners are available on many websites, but we generally use way2wealth.com or moneycontrol.com. So there are so many small caps and mid caps. They are showing a very good movement intraday and for 2-3 days or 1 week. But what happens there? Suppose we bought something at higher level, so it may be possible that on very next day they are going downside and there is a further fall for next 3 to 4 days or 7 days. Then it is bouncing quick from the bottom and they are giving 15 to 20% or 25% jump in next 20 to 25 days. So how can we use such wonderful opportunity? You can do one thing. Suppose you have gone to moneycontrol.com volume screener or way2wealth.com volume screener and you are watching some stock going up. Then write down the name of 5 to 10 stocks there and see the advanced interactive chart on moneycontrol.com. When you add other stocks to compare, you will get all the 10 charts in 10 different colors on single platform, in single chart only. So you can compare all those stocks. Then you can see the mutual fund holding of all those 8 to 10 stocks and choose the best holding among them. There may be 3 to 4 stocks of 3 to 4 different sectors. Now what will you do? Buy the smallest part at this price because it will be there on lower levels. So we shall buy more quantity on lower levels and there will be 2 to 3 chances in next 10 days to get the best price there. So you can buy in simply I can say 1 to 3 ratio, and when it is bouncing back, don't sell all the stocks in single shot. Sell in 1 to 3 ratio, means 10, 20 and 30 shares. So it will give you 20 to 40% gain in just 30 to 50 days. That will be the very good time value, and we should have the right time value with minimum investment of money and time. Sometimes so many traders are trading in future and options only and they are avoiding the cash market, but some wonderful mid and small cap stocks are not there in future and option. So I suggest you to try this with minimum volumes, and if you are getting good result, you can continue in this because it doesn't require big money. But when Nifty is making new highs, higher highs, then small and mid cap stocks will give you the best returns, and in bullish days there will be gap up opening. So there is the gap up opening of 8 to 10% in small and mid cap stocks, and there may be back to back 20% circuit, 10% circuits continuously for 7 to 10 days, 15 days, and if you got any such opportunity, you will get huge profit. So just take the opportunities what we are suggesting, try this, test this and enjoy this. Thank you. Bye.